Where to now? Look, the rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! Thanks for helping out! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines often. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Right, we're almost at the town square. Right leads to Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Hatford Station's just ahead. What type of wagon should we pull? Good job! That was amazing! Where to now? Next stop, Kidmouth Sheds. Good job! Right leads to Tidmouth. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Well done! Great! Well done! Thanks for helping out! Pick any toy you'd like. Great! Follow the beam of light to find your toys.